Official teacher, this platform has kids. Ungatshela abantwana ukuthi udayisa inquza batoze bakhophe. Guys, if bantwana bani bafuna ukunkopa bacela bakopela. Bacela baye esikolweni. Ba graduate. Bese ngikhani ke bayankopa ukudayisa inquza. Angithi nithi nine I am your kids role model. Encourage abantwana bani ukuthi badayisa inquza. Encourage ukuthi abantwana bani benze ini. Abaqalela. Mabe umntwana wakho angaqali labo wazi ukuthi akhophe official teacher. Nabe umntwana wakho angakaqali ngokuya esikoleni from today, cela wazi ukuthi akakhophi mina, ukhopha wena. Because right now ukuthi official teacher in you've never even been to university. Awukwazi ukukhuluma ne lecturer, but ubhizi uthi mina encourage abantwana bakho. So nabe umntwana wakho angakaqali la. Waya esikoleni ayo graduate. Akangikhophi mina. Ke mina ngesikole ngagraduate ngacela ugraduate ngabona ukuthi kuze umsebenzi ngihamba ngiyodayisa inquza because angeke ngihlupheke. So umntwana wakho makhopha official teacher akaqale la. Indaba ukuthi mina abantwana bazokhopha ukudayisa inquza abaqale la mabe bakhopha mina. Unless vele banemkhuba yabo. Mina ngidayisa inquza and I'm not encouraging abantwana bena ukuthi badayisa inquza. I need to make this clear. Bantwana, if you're watching this video, go to school, graduate, get your own. Sengibuyile ngidayisa inquza. Ngidayisa nje inquza, and I went to school, ngagraduate in record time in computer science. Right now I found myself in a situation whereby I had to dayisa inquza. So I'm just here to survive. I'm not here to provoke anyone. I'm not here to guys ngizidayisela inquza nje yami. So uma ufuna ukuthenga inquza, hit my inbox right now. Mina ngiyaqhamuka nge-video call, ngudayisela ama-video ngesibhebhe. Ngidayisela ama-video bengibhebhe, ngidayisela ama-audio bengibhebhe. Yonke into oyifunayo, ne-meetup ngiyayenza. I travel only nangabe ubhadele deposit. For a night uyabook. So please guys, if you're interested in my inbox, if this content is not for you, feel free to block me. Mina ngizosiphandela. Now uyasiphandela the way uphanda ngakhona. If you're a hard worker usebenza go Shoprite, please do that. Mina ngicela ukuphanda ngenquza. Don't judge me please. Good morning. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Umakhosha wendawo guys. Buyani nizopep, buyani nizothenga ama-video bengipep, buyani nizothenga ama-audio bengipep, buyani nizothenga ama-video ngescope, buyani nizothenga inquza. Segoli njalo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button. Nangiseselo trend akulapha tinkundleni tokuxhumana lutheni udayisela inquza. People have been dragging her saying ukuthi ufundisa abantwana ukukhohlakala, ufundisa abantwana umkhuba lo mubi, abantwana bayithatha lento la ikhuluma kulapha tinkundleni tokuxhumana nabo baye thinking ukuthi into lenhle, into le right, into lengakulethela imali ngokusheshsha. Uyasho ukuthi yena she's a graduate who graduated in record time. Efanele nini influence abantu abeni abaqale bayetikolweni bayofunda ba graduate, then ngikhani bangenda lokhu yena la kwendawo ngathi nini bantu abeni ba influencer nguye babe bantu abeni bangakafundi because yena ufunzile wathi abona ukuthi umsebenzi awukho. Wabe suyabona indlela tokwenda imali njengoba semuva guys ngokuthi yasho ukuthi ngithengisela ama-video, ngithengisela ama-audio konke lokho. Uma ufuna uyaya kuye ulapha eJohannesburg CBD. Bantu abaningi ngazi ukuthi ba-interested lapha ku-profile yakhe because uyabona nemadoda abuda ukuthi hey imali sese ungakuphi. Uyabona nje ukuthi kahle hlelo sesilona labanye abantu they are actually dragging her but bagqwele kuma-inbox yakhe bonke bafuna i-service. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Mina nawe siyobonana kulenye le video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.